So once you open up AnyDesk, this is what you see. You can actually see that I have my address over here on the top, and on the top I have an option to stop the screen recording or open address book or enter the address. Over here you can see the latest news that you have regarding AnyDesk, and on the bottom you see the recent sessions right here. So if I were to click on show all, then it'll show all of the sessions that you recently started. You can see favorites right here. So as we work along, then we can go ahead and add in favorites. You can also see the recent sessions, discovered, and invitations. I haven't really used much, so I don't see many of them active right now. But you can learn more about AnyDesk right here. You can see the status, which is checking for a new version right here, constantly, and so forth. Apart from that, you can also see that I can go ahead and change the thumbnail right here. You can change how. You can see this is like last thumbnail. You can see that it is contracted, and you can see small right here with detail. You can even go ahead and browse files of that particular computer if you want to, and then connect to it, invite to it, browse files to it, and so forth, and even go ahead and add it to favorite, rename, and so forth. So if I were to go ahead and right click, you get these options around over here as well. Apart from that, if I were to go around over here, you can see that I have an option to browse files of different computer as well and connect out as well. So over here on the top, you can see that you have access to your account details, and you will be able to go ahead and then, let's say for example, change the window size from over here. If I were to go around over here, you have access to settings, and then from over here, you have access to different options, like you can set your password right here for AnyDesk as well. You can go ahead and access out your address book right here. You can go ahead and access session recordings if you have any, and you can even go ahead and change the license key if you have a premium license key that you want to use. You can access the help right here, which just opens up your help window, and then you can see the about section right here. So as I actually go ahead and then access out a computer, I will be able to see more options as well, and then access different parts of that computer, which you're going to go ahead and see as we progress along the course. And that is simply how you can go ahead and then understand the AnyDesk interface as needed. And as we go along, we're going to go ahead and see more of the features of AnyDesk that we have throughout this course. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.